Dad,
Yeah.
did you hear how loud I was peeing?
Breathing.
Peeing.
Peeing. No.
You didn't hear me?
No.
I thought I was pretty dang loud.
Do you want to get the dog out of bed? No. She obviously is too scared to jump out.
She likes it.
If you think so.
She was sleeping in there. Okay, I'll get her out. Just because I'm scared that Mum's going to catch me. And do you think Mum would get angry?
For what?
Do you think Mum would get angry?
She would tell you to get him out.
Oh my God. Look.
Is that your call type?
No. Yeah. That made my heart drop for a second. I thought my mum almost woke up. Alright, Princess. Let's get you into the light. Please balance. Don't make a noise. Okay. Princey Wincy, you are free. Wow, she didn't want to get out. She growled. I might have to censor that out. She's so happy. I feel bad. But I'm happy now. Now it's squeaking. Oh, barely. Next time, it's the cat.